The second Microsoft Excel lesson deals with the analysis of obtained results. Based on the provided data, we will first calculate the average position for each football team. We type the formula average, so equals average from B2 to B11 to get Inter's average position. We apply the formula to the remaining clubs by dragging. The best position of each team in the previous seasons we can calculate by using the formula equals mean for Inter Milan from B2 to B11. By dragging, we apply the formula to calculate the best position for the other clubs. We also calculate the worst position using the formula max, so equals max. Also for the first club, Inter Milan, from B2 to B11. The formula is applied to the other clubs as well by dragging. We use the formula median, so equals median from B2 to B11 for Inter Milan to calculate the median position of the club. In this case, we can see that Inter was ranked first, second, or third in 5 seasons and lower in the others. We calculate the same for other teams by dragging. It is visible that Juventus has the best results. If we observe these teams as a group of top clubs, we first calculate their average position for all seasons using the formula equals average, but this time from B2 to G2. We apply to all other seasons by dragging. We apply the formula. We notice that in 3 seasons, these teams were in the top 6 positions. Using the formula mean, from B2 to G2, we calculate the best position of this group of teams. We apply the formula to the remaining seasons. It is clear that the one of these teams has always been the champion in the last 10 seasons. We will also calculate the worst placement per season for each of these teams by using the formula equals max. Also for the first season from B2 to G2. The formula is applied by dragging to other seasons. The worst position was 10th, and it occurred only in one season. We calculate the median position for this group using the formula equals median. From B2 to G2. We apply the formula to the other seasons by dragging. It can be observed that in 7 out of 10 seasons, these clubs were among the top 3. We will perform the same analysis for the number of points per season. First, we calculate the average number of points for each club using the formula equals average from N2 to N11. We apply the formula for the other clubs by dragging. Juventus has the highest average number of points, while Lazio has the lowest one. We calculate the highest number of points per team using the formula max equals max from N2 to N11. We do the same for the other clubs. We apply the formula by dragging. Juventus has the highest score with 95 points. Lazio has the lowest maximum value at 78 points. We calculate the minimum number of points using the formula mean, so equals mean, from N2 to N11. The same formula is applied to calculate the minimum number of points for the other clubs by dragging. Inter and Milan had the lowest number of points, 52. Juventus, Roma and Napoli performed best in the category with a minimum of 63 points. Since a bad season can be an outlier, we'll calculate the median number of points using the formula median from N2 to N11. We drag it across the other clubs. This value shows that the club had more points than the median in half of the seasons and fewer in the other half. Observing them as a group, we first calculate the average number of points per season for 2023-24 season using the formula average from N2 to S2. We calculate the average for the remaining seasons by dragging the formula. The 2017-2018 season was the most successful one, with an average score of 78.5 points. The maximum number of points for these clubs in the 2023-24 season is calculated using the formula max from N2 to S2. So max we apply this formula to calculate the maximum number of points for other seasons as well by dragging. The season where the champion had the fewest points was 2019-20 with 83 points, while the most dominant was season 2017-2018 with 95 points. The minimum number of points in 2023-24 season is calculated using the formula min. Also from N2 to S2. The formula is applied to other seasons by dragging. This group had the fewest points in 2014-2015 season, 52 points. The highest minimum score was 64, recorded in the 2017-2018 and 2023 and 24 seasons. Now we'll calculate the median number of points for the 2023-24 season by applying the formula median. So equal median from N2 to S2. We will apply the formula to the other seasons by dragging. The worst season for this group was, as we can see, 2014-2015, when 3 teams had fewer than 66 points and 3 had more. The highest median was in the 2020-21 season, where 3 teams had more than 77.5 points. The total number of points for the 2023-24 season is calculated using formula sum, so equals sum, also from N2 to S2. We apply this formula to other seasons by dragging. When observing these teams as a group, the most successful season was 2020-2021, and the worst one was 2014-2015. And that's the end of this lesson. Thank you for watching.